Heavy gauge flat stock bending is a basic shop problem. The possibility of tearing on the outside of the bend and crimping and excessive thickening on the inside is always present. Here's another example of the versatility and tremendous force possible with controlled leverage. With the master die and center pin connected in this manner, we're set up to bend angle iron flange outward. Insert the stock from left to right and apply pressure. Again, the size of the radius block determines the diameter of the bend. Here, another tedious job is simplified. Tooling to special requirements has led to additional versatility of the machine. One purpose of the bulldozer die, for example, is to form bends very close to the end of stock. It's possible to get within 5/8 of an inch to the end of stock. This, of course, makes intricate bends easily accomplished. This handrail capping has previously been edge bent on this machine, and the eye bend has been formed. To complete this piece, we're forming a lamb's tongue on the end of the capping. First, a 90-degree bend is made near the end of the rail. Now reverse the rail, reset the pins, and complete. About a half hour per rail is saved by doing it in this method, and the cost is substantially lower than in any other way. The construction trades have long felt a need for forming return bends on reinforcing rods for concrete mats and saddles. Here's how this machine turns them out. The machine is now set up to form Z-bars for joist fabrication. The specifications which can be met in this operation are 30-degree acute angles on 3/4 inch stock. Thin-walled conduit can be bent by using this setup. The capacity is 2 inches, bent to a 10-inch centerline radius. No wrinkles and no flattening, and this is thin-walled conduit. The feed-along pipe bending operation was demonstrated earlier. Now we'll talk about small radius production bending of this pipe. The principle here is approximately the same as the feed-along operation, except that we use a 180-degree return bend die, which allows a complete return bend on 1.5-inch pipe or on thin-walled tubing, without the use of an internal mandrel. The hydraulic attachment, again, is not a necessity, but it will save a great deal of effort on the part of the operator. The operator has both hands free for material handling at all times while the hydraulic unit is in use. The maneuverable foot pedal controls the force from any convenient location. One of the two non-bending attachments that provide this machine with even greater versatility is the punch. The tremendous power required in this operation is possible on a machine of this size only through multiple series leverages. The shear is another plus of the bender. Both can be ordered from the manufacturer and will fit and can be used as an accessory to any number 2 hossfeld bender. Metalcraft is as old as civilization. The anvil and the hammer have long been the tools of this respected trade. Although these tools may never become obsolete, today most bends can be formed mechanically, with far less effort and in much less time. What the blacksmith produced in several hours of exertion, you can accomplish in minutes with leverage and controlled force. Methods go hand in hand with the times. The old must give way to the new. One quality of metal craftsmanship has remained unchanged. A job well done has always been the end result of a craftsman proud of his trade.